Hey guys, it's Warren here, and here is a great recipe if you've got guests coming around, plus further extending the possibilities of things you can do with eggs. With that in mind, here is my recipe for deviled eggs. And this is enough to make 8 deviled eggs. To start with, bring some water up to boiling point on the stove, then carefully lower in 4 eggs. Now leave the eggs to hard boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the eggs from the saucepan, then lower them into a bowl of cold water. Leave them for a further 10 minutes and this will stop them from cooking any further. And once all the eggs have cooled, tap them gently on a hard surface to crack the shell, then peel the shell off all the eggs. Next, using a sharp knife, slice downwards and lengthways to cut all 4 eggs in half. And with the half eggs, give each one a gentle squeeze to help release the yolks, then spoon the yolks into a bowl. Also add to the egg yolks 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mild curry powder and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Season with some salt and generously with some pepper, then use a fork to mash the ingredients into the egg yolks. When you're happy with the consistency and the filling is smooth enough that it can be piped, stop mashing and scoop the filling out into a Ziploc or food storage bag. Now push all the filling to one end of the bag, tie a knot in it, then cut a hole in the corner. Next, lay the 8 empty deviled eggs down and pipe the filling into each one. And finally, sprinkle your deviled eggs with some smoked paprika and garnish with some freshly chopped parsley. And there you have it, that's how easy it is to make these delicious deviled eggs in no time at all.